Hi and welcome to this new video on my YouTube channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to create a successful newsletter for your online business. A newsletter can be a great marketing strategy to keep your current customers informed and to reach potential customers with interesting content and special promotions. Before we start talking about how to create a successful newsletter, it's important to understand why it's so important for your online business. First, a newsletter can help keep your current customers informed about new products or services you offer. Second, it can help you reach potential customers who may be interested in your products or services. Third, a newsletter can help you build your credibility and establish yourself as an expert in your industry. Now that we understand the importance of a newsletter, let's see how to create a successful one. First, you need to have a contact list. You can acquire the contacts of your current and potential customers through your website, social media, or events you attend. Make sure to ask for permission to send them the newsletter and to comply with privacy laws. Once you have your contact list, you need to create interesting content that captures your readers' attention. Make sure to include news and updates about your business, useful tips, and special promotions. Also, make sure to maintain a personal and engaging tone to create a connection with your readers. The frequency of sending the newsletter depends on your business and audience. In general, once a month or every 2 weeks is a good frequency. Keep in mind that your newsletter must be consistent and timely to maintain your readers' interest. Now that you have created interesting content and decided on the frequency of sending, it's time to choose an email marketing platform. There are many options available such as MailChimp, Sendinblue, and Constant Contact. Choose the platform that best suits your needs and allows you to create a professional and personalized newsletter. Once you have chosen the platform, you can start creating your newsletter. Make sure to include your logo and business colors to create a consistent look with your brand. Also, include a catchy title and relevant images to make your newsletter more visually appealing. Finally, make sure to include a call to action in your newsletter. You can invite your readers to visit your website, follow you on social media, or participate in a special promotion. The call to action should be clear and easy to follow to maximize the effectiveness of your newsletter. In conclusion, creating a successful newsletter for your online business requires some planning and commitment, but the benefits are significant. A newsletter can help you keep your current customers informed and reach potential customers with interesting content and special promotions. Remember to acquire your readers' contacts legally, create interesting and personalized content, choose the right platform, and include a call to action. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content like this. Thank you for watching.